Nam-gyu, you sick or something?
Get out of here. Go, you stupid bitch.
You feeling shitty because of this?
Oh, shit!
What? You scared? Huh? You fucking pussy.